sister, counselor, Sister Ranjana. She has completed her studies in Philippines. In all the teachers and my sweet students, a very good morning to you all. The importance of integrity, empathy, and respect.
I extend my best wishes to all of you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
At the outset, I would like to express my gratitude to CPSC for allotting or assigning this duty to me and sir of the inspection.
Great, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So, in integers, which group of numbers till now we have discussed? Do you know natural numbers? Can anyone tell me what is the largest integer? So, in integers,
Yeah, no, general science. General, whole petroleum topic.
Consider as hydrosphere, the word is known as atmosphere, and biosphere where they are living is known as biosphere. Atmosphere is made up of air because they are living
They are limited. After some days, some years, they will exhaust.
Let's get exhausted.
We should note that we shouldn't cut trees.
Okay, as a student in the class, how you will save water?
when I will see the types of one, I will close that door. Types.
I will close the taps. One of the use we can do. Yes, anything else?
If in our water bottle the water is remaining, we didn't throw out, we can give to trees.
Yes. Okay.
One class to the right.
Little louder.
श्रावण बाळा नावाचा
आवाज नाही येत.
एक मुलगा होता तो
Okay.
Shravan is part
Then we have to express that feeling. Somebody's mother.
The field of the diameter relative.
Okay, sir.
किती आहे इसको?
That's it. That's it. That's it.
ये साइन लगा देना है इसमें.
Down this fix. We don't do this. Shall I just start? ओके, हा चालेल, ते बरं दिसेल.
तर आहे घेतलेलं.
Computer science there.
Yes, computer science.
This is anyone is doing.
So we have physics of potassium.
Explain to the students.
We have to build a water in the then we have added few crystals of potassium permanganate in the beaker, and then it suddenly turns into dark purple color. I am explaining you about the particles of matter are very very small. Then we have to another 100 ml of water in a beaker. Then we have added 10 ml of KMnO4 solution into this 100 ml of water. Then it has turned faint purple. Then we have to again 100 ml of water into another beaker, and you can see the color of this 100 ml of water is some faint pink. And we have to again repeat the procedure, and the water is light pink. So you can see the observation that this few crystals of potassium permanganate change.
करा.
Properly, sister.
क्या क्या available है आपके पास?
When they get some electrical gives
क्या instruments available है आपके पास?
Actually, they have what happened is painting, so they have taken it out. So now they will.
Newly printed.
Yes. Per hour to 300. We were creating for children Fatima. So we created a few children. Here is an appeal.
By direct transfer, no?
Yeah, back transfer. Total teachers? Total teachers 21. 12 altogether, say grid. This one clock is 1 clock. Okay. Is the motto of the school and the objectives of our institution. Okay.
Okay.
One more. Your name? Arun Singh.
फोटो पण घ्या, थोडं आगे देखो.